Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gordon Ramsay's Lobster Bisque. We begin by roasting lobster shells at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, which is crucial for a deep, rich flavor. Next, sauté finely diced aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions until they are beautifully softened. Then, deglaze the pan with a quarter cup of brandy, scraping up all those flavorful bits, and stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste for added richness. Now, let's build that incredible stock. Pour in about 6 cups of fish stock or water, ensuring it completely covers the roasted shells and vegetables. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook for approximately 45 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld and intensify. Afterward, carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down firmly on the solids to extract every last drop of that precious liquid. For that signature velvety texture, we'll start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a clean pot. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour to form a smooth roux, cooking it for about 1 minute. Then, gradually whisk in the warm, strained lobster stock, ensuring there are no lumps, until the bisque is beautifully smooth and begins to thicken. Finally, stir in 1 cup of rich, heavy cream and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle warmth. To finish our exquisite bisque, gently sauté 1 pound of fresh, cooked lobster meat in 1 tablespoon of butter for just a couple of minutes, until it's perfectly warmed through. Taste and season the bisque carefully with sea salt, a dash of white pepper, and a bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice to balance the richness. Ladle into warm bowls and garnish with finely chopped fresh chives or tarragon for a beautiful, aromatic presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.